Welcome to our video on fixing software, hardware, and network problems with AI. Today, we'll be discussing how you can use artificial intelligence to diagnose and fix common computer problems related to software, hardware, and network issues. Whether you're a computer repair professional, a network administrator, or just someone looking to troubleshoot their own machine, this video will provide valuable information on the various examples, scenarios, tools, and step-by-step instructions for fixing computer problems with AI. So, let's get started. One of the ways to use AI to fix software problems is by using AI-based diagnostic tools to identify the root cause of the issue. These tools use machine learning algorithms to analyze system logs and diagnose the problem based on patterns and anomalies in the data. For example, software such as AI-based malware removal software and malware scanners can automatically detect and remove malware, while AI-based optimization tools can automatically clean up and optimize your system. Another way to use AI to fix hardware problems is by using AI-based diagnostic tools to identify the root cause of the issue. These tools use machine learning algorithms to analyze hardware components and diagnose the problem based on patterns and anomalies in the data. For example, hardware diagnostic tools such as AIDA64 can be used to diagnose hardware issues such as overheating, power supply failure, and driver conflicts. Network problems can also be fixed with AI by using tools such as AI-based network diagnostic tools. These tools use machine learning algorithms to analyze network traffic and identify patterns or anomalies that may indicate a problem. For example, tools like Ixia Breaking Point and SolarWinds Network Performance Monitor can be used to diagnose network issues such as slow response times, high bandwidth usage, and connectivity issues. Follow these step-by-step instructions. First, you will need to download and install the AI-based tool you want to use, such as an AI-based diagnostic tool, an AI-based network diagnostic tool, or an AI-based malware removal tool. Next, you will need to run a diagnostic scan to identify the problem. After the problem has been identified, the AI-based tool will provide you with a recommended solution. Finally, you will need to follow the instructions provided by the tool to fix the problem. So there you have it, 3 different ways to use AI to fix common computer problems related to software, hardware, and network issues. From using AI-based diagnostic tools to identify the root cause of the issue to using AI-based malware removal tools, hardware diagnostic tools, and network diagnostic tools that automate common repair tasks, keep in mind that not all computer problems can be fixed by AI alone, but AI can certainly make the troubleshooting process much more efficient. If you found this video helpful or have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and comment, "I subscribed," so we know you're on board for future videos about AI in computer repair. Thanks for watching.